Hmm. Hi, my name is Leo, URK24CO 2005, and this is Object-Oriented Programming Laboratory Experiment 1A. So here totally I have five programs. The first one is Age Eligibility Program, and this program asks the user to enter their age, and if the input is greater or equal to 18, then it prints out that the user is eligible to vote. If not, the it prints out the user is not eligible to vote. So as you can see, this uses the package called Scanner, which is help to use to get user from the input. So here, once if I run the code, it asks, gets, it reads a input called age. So if I give 18, it says eligible to vote. And if I run again, if I give a value less than 18, which is 17, like 17 or 16, it says it's not eligible to vote. So this is the first program. And the second the second program is about prime numbers. So in this code, it displays all the prime numbers between 2 to 30, and the logic of prime numbers is the prime numbers has no divisors other than one or itself. So in this program, I used a for loop to check every number from 2 to 30, and I have created a nested loop to test that the number is divisible by any value or not. So here int I, so the iteration value of I is used to check every number between 2 to 30, and the value of j, the loop which has the iteration variable j, it tests the number inside the uh, iteration I loop to check whether it is divisible by any value or not. So if it is divisible, or if I have kept a boolean variable called is prime to track whether to check whether the number is prime or not. So if a number is prime, then it gets printed on the screen. So over here, when I run this code Java prime, so as you can see, it prints all the prime numbers from 2 to 30. So this is the second program. And the third program is about printing a star pattern. So over here, it's a right aligned triangle printed using stars. So the rows are fixed. So here over here, the number of rows I've given as five. So there are totally three loops. The first loop is to control the number of rows, which we can see here, and the second loop over here over here is used to print the spaces between the stars, and the third for loop is used to print the stars. So this system the so this system dot out dot sorry so this system dot out dot println is used to go to the next line after each row is completed from the printing the stars. So as you can see, when I run the code, as you can see, the first loop is used to control the rows, and the second loop is used to print the spaces between these stars, and the third loop it prints the stars. So this is the third program, and the fourth program is this calculating the grade grade calculation program. So this program takes marks for five subjects, as you can see: physics, chemistry, biology, maths, computer science, and it calculates the total marks percentage as well as grade. So the classification goes like 90 to 100 means grade A, 80 to 89 means grade B, and 70 to 79 grade C, 60 to 69 grade D, 50 to 59 grade E, and below 50, the grade is F. So As you can see, if I run the code Java mark, so it asked me the marks. So I'm giving like 98, 65, 76, 43, and 56. So it calculates the total mark and it finds the percentage, and based on the percentage, the grade is being printed. So the next program is uh, it's a menu-driven bus number program. So what is a bus program is if the so as you can see, if the number modulo 7 is equal to 0, or if the number modulo 10 is equal to 7, then the particular number which was given by the user is called as a bus number. So it either the bus number either ends with 7, or or the number is divisible by 7. So either way we can tell that is as a bus number. So this program displays a menu with four options, as you can see over here. First is check if the number is bus number or not, and check if number is odd or even, and check if number is positive or negative, and the fourth one is exit. And the program uses a do while and a switch case, and do while which executes at least once, and a switch statement is used to handle switches instead of else ladder. So as you can see over here, Java bus. Okay, so over here it's asked to enter number. So I'm giving 70. 70 is the bus number because 70 is divisible by 7. So it asks me if I want to check the bus number. It says 70 is the bus number. And if I want to check the number is odd or even, I can give like 70 is an even number. And uh, third one is 70 is positive. And if I want to for exit. So the case one, the bus number is checked by it checks whether the number is divisible by 7 or the number ends with 7. So the second case is it checks whether the given number is divisible by 2 is equal to 0. If it is divisible by 2 and it gives 0, it is an even number or it is an odd number. And if the number is the case 3, if the number is greater than 0, it's positive. It's lesser than 0, it's negative. So these are the five programs of experiment 1. Thank you.